Hello everyone, and this here for the printer, and this here is serial, and this here for the menu, and I need to review menu for the printer, and you click menu, and this here for the ink. Okay, ink. If you need cleaning, this here for the click OK, and this here for quality print. For the acid, this here for back, click here for ink, click OK. This here for test print, and this here for cleaning, and this here for ink volume, and this here for three menu, and just click back again, and this here for the back, click here for the two menu for the copy, you click here for the paper copy and copy side, and for quality and density, and see for the menu, and click back. This here for the back, and click here menu. This here for network. If you need connect the Wi-Fi, select the menu network, connect the printer to Wi-Fi, connect this network, and click OK. This here for the IP. If you menu connect the success, you click here. This here for show the IP address. This here for show the IP. This here for IP the printer, and click the back and network, and this here for the IP for the wizard. This here for the wizard. If you need search your Wi-Fi, you select the wizard, and this here for VPS, and this here for spin and VLAN state and MAC address, and this here for enable network reset. Okay, for the back, and this here for click menu. For the network, this here for print report. This here for print report, the VLAN network user setting for the report print. For the back again, and this here for the machine info. Okay, the machine info, serial, no much menu, and serial one menu, and this here for the initial setup the printer. This here for date time, LCD contrast, and this here for sleep mode and reset, and auto power off, and location. If you need select the language, your select here. This here for the select the language English, French, Germany, Dutch, and Italia, English. Okay, this here for the English. Select the language. Back again. This here for the five the menu, big menu 5, and if you need question, comment below. If you need link download, if you need link download driver, I am this for the description. This here for the ink in the printer. Okay, if you need the printer paper jam, your open cover. Okay, this here for the paper jam. You looking the paper jam here. This here for the your open cover. This here for the paper jam here. You looking here the paper jam. If you need paper jam, you open the paper jam. Okay, this here for the scanner. Okay, this here for the scanner, the printer, and this here for the paper, your you push up. Okay, so for the paper, if you need the paper jam printer, you're looking here. This here for the printer paper jam. You're looking the paper. You're up the paper, and this here for the your back the printer.